Hello, people. What is going on today? We're gonna be here on I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a text-based game. This is the updated version. I've come much farther in this. I actually learned how to make movement games, which I might release if you guys want. I'm working on releasing Doomsday, but unfortunately, Doomsday I've been having some technical issues with that. First off, I had to restore my computer back to factory settings because we installed way too many viruses on it. So basically we're just gonna be showing you how to program some games, and if y'all want, I will do how to make a movement game. Just saying. Alright, so let's get on with this. So we're just going to open up Notepad++. I do recommend you download this, and I already started some things off right here. I got Echo off YouTube the game, and yeah, because I was making a video, and I'm just going to explain to you guys what all this means. And here we go. At Echo off, this prevents it from doing this. Like, let's just do a CLS right here, and it'll say C uses Kuykendall, which is my computer name because my dad named it that. But anyway, when you do at Echo off, let me just do it real quick. It does that. But the reason we're gonna do it on Notepad++ is because whenever you do it in command prompt, it'll just spit it right back out at you, as you can see. So that's what that is for. The title of it, that is what sets the name. So we're just going to do CLS again, and then we're just going to change the title. As you can see, here's the command prompt right here, where the command prompt bar where my mouse is right here, and we're just going to rename it by going title CMDTST. And as you can see, the bar up here says CMDTST, and that is now the name of command prompt, but it's not actually doing that. That is temporary. So like when you close it, it's command prompt again. But if you do want to rename it, what you can do is like well, let me just minimize this. If you want to rename your command prompt, you can drag it to the desktop here. You can right click it, click a rename it CMD or whatever you want. And for some reason it didn't work. Then you can't click on it anymore. I'm just going to delete that. And you don't want to click on this, obviously. Okay, so that's how you whatever. Okay, so that's what that does. And what color OC is, I will put all the links to that in the description if you desire. And I forgot to mention, I do have the face cam set up. That is thanks to this program. I can see myself. And I'm right there. Creepy. So yeah, that's what color OC does is it is. Here's what it does. So let's say I open up command prompt, and then I type in. Let's see. I do CLS, Echo off, CLS again. Now I do Echo hi. So you say, man, white isn't that good for me. So what you can do is color OC, it'll change it red. Now there are a whole bunch of different colors, like blue, and there's green, and you can also use numbers, and I will leave all those color codes in the description. So we're just going to open up Notepad again and set local inability delayed expansion. That helps it, like, because if you don't have that, it'll just like say you go like this high, and then like you write a code in this to go to B1 if you press a certain button. But you know, B1's all the way down here because you wrote this one first. You wrote KKOK. So when you wrote that, it will just go straight to that no matter what code you write in this one. That's what set local enable delete expansion does, because it's like just sending it to there. So anyway, now we're just going to get to the real code. And this is optional. You can full screen it, but for example, let's just open a command prompt and then you type mode 1000. Oops, mode 1000. And then it full screened it. But if your game's just going to be like this on the side like that, you don't really want all this other space. So what I recommend if you're doing that is go mode 10. Mode 90. Or mode 20. Ooh, mode. Just do mode 100. That's a fair mode. If you're just going to have your game like that. And then you can just like draw some things over here. But if it's mode 1000, I mean, like, you don't want to fill up that whole thing if you want to have like a quality game. And that's the mistake I made on Doomsday. But I'm not going to full screen it because I don't want to. Alright. So now we're just going to space down 2, as you can see. And we're not going to run through the game data yet because it won't work. So, well, it will work, but we're just going to make the menu first because that's what I usually do, because it helps it not load. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a load thing. So it's going to be load, and then we're just going to write CLS echo loading. And then you don't put any pause CLS or ping also holds minus into null, because you don't want that. You want it to actually be real loading in case it's loading, because somebody's probably going to think the program isn't working or something, and then they'll be like, it doesn't work. If it's loading for a long time, they just have a really slow computer. So what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to write out the menu. We're just going to write CLS echo welcome to YouTube the game. What echo does, I showed that in command prompt. I wrote echo hi and it spit out hi at me, except it doesn't actually write it because this program provides, and you can use Notepad too. Just make sure when you save it, you save it as .bat. So for instance, this is the save, like it's new one right now. You're gonna want to save it as new one.bat, but I'm not gonna save it right now. So now what you're gonna want to do after that is you're gonna do like echo dot. Echo dot is basically space, because if you just do space, it's not going to do anything. So what echo dot does, let me just open a command prompt. CLS echo dot, it makes another thing. So you go like, it's going to like cram them all together, and you can't really be doing anything. And yeah, I was pressing the enter key, just so you know. So there. And the echo dots just make it look fancy. After your echo dots, you can press. You can type echo again and then press 1, and then go dot start, and then that's telling the player that press 1 to start. Echo 2 exit, and then that's telling the player to press 2 to exit. Now you're gonna want to do set/pc equals. Now let's do /choice. Now okay. After that, you're gonna do if choice equals 1, go to G data, which stands for game data, because we're going to be loading the game data after that. And then you go if choice equals Oops. 2. Exit. Yes, exit is a batch command. As you can see, it's blue, but if something's blue, that doesn't mean it's a batch command. Because as you can see, like I can type and it's blue. That just means it's random letters. But because Notepad++ doesn't know what everything means. Just so for example, I'm gonna open it up and then I'm gonna type something random like do. And it's going to say it's an unrecognized command. But exit actually closes it out. And then go to helps you go to the place you want to go. Like the blocks, I just explained it a little while ago. So like go to hi. So like let's just make a block called hi. Now echo hi. Now let's just go down again. Now let's type go to hi. It doesn't seem to work on command prompt, but you get my point. It will work inside game. So let's just go down here, and we're just gonna write out the G data. The G data is not gonna be that full. So we're just gonna write set. Now this is your player HP or player damage, all that stuff. So we're just gonna do set. Let's see, PHP, which means player HP, player hit points equals 100. Let's just say 100. Now we're gonna do set PDMG equals. Let's just do 2. 2 is a good number. Now set E is enemy. But you don't really have to do this. You can name it whatever you want. So you do set E HP equals let's do 50. Now set EDMG equals 1. So when you're done with that, what you're gonna want to do is so you got the G data, and you don't really need to do a go to command because it's just gonna go straight to the next thing. Now this is in case it's gonna load. We're just gonna go to the G data and we're gonna type in echo loading data. Alright, and now see. Okay, now we're just gonna write game right here. Welcome to game. Let's see, now we'll go 1. Go there. Now we're just gonna write a little symbol pointing over there. Now this is just a little stupid game I'm making for a tutorial, so you can do whatever you want. Don't just follow me because you think that's exactly how you have to do it. You don't even have to go 1 dot. You can say press 1 to start or whatever you want. Echo 2. Die. So set /PC equals choice. It doesn't have to be different each time. You can do whatever thing you want to. You can make it different if you want to, but I'm just gonna save time and I'm just gonna do the same thing over and over again. So we're gonna do set no if choice. Oh no. Let me change. Oh wait. Oh wait, this needs to be C. This needs to be C. And this needs to be C. Sorry about that, people. C. Okay. Equals 1 go to you win, because it's gonna be a short game. I'm not gonna make a long series. I mean, like, if you guys want different tutorials like on how to do animes and stuff like that, you just leave it in the comments. If C equals 2, go to kid. So let's just do you win like that. Echo you win. Yay, 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 yay. Alright. Pause. Pause. No. No means not to show the things. Like for instance, let's just go on command prompt. Let's type pause. Pause. Press any key to continue. Now if you go pause, no, it does that. So basically you can just write whatever you want, but it's got to be before pause. Alright, so it's got to say echo press a key to exit. Now we'll just write exit down here, but it will exit itself, but it says a little speech after that, but we just wanted to launch a command right away. We want our game to be good. So let's just write dead right here. See less echo you died. Echo press a key to try again. Then you could also do set/PC equals choice, and then you could write like do you want to try again or something like that. Pause. No. Alright. Go to menu. No wait. Let's do game. And yeah, let's just save it. Now we're gonna save it as game.bat. Let's check it out. Now we're just gonna save it to desktop. Alright. Welcome to YouTube the game. As you can see, it's red. Alright, let's start. Wait, what? What to do? I think we can have that. We'll just go to game. We'll skip the game data. Now let's try. Probably because these extensions aren't here. Let's just delete that. Another space here. No. Deleting anything that looks suspicious. Oh, there we go. Fix it. Alright, so let's just click start. Welcome to the game. Go there or die. Now let's die. And then it goes back to the menu. Let's press go there. You win. Yay. And it says press a key to exit. Alright. And that is how you make a game. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, favorite, and subscribe.